how to use the MetaMask bridge. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the MetaMask bridge and how do you do so. It is very simple, all right? But first of all, you must know that the MetaMask bridge is a powerful tool that allows you to transfer access between different networks. So the first step is to open your MetaMask wallet in your browser extension or through the official app. And then once you've done that, the next thing will be to visit the official MetaMask bridge website. And that is by going to the top part of your screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and then in the search box type MetaMask bridge and then click enter, and then select bridge, easily move tokens across chains so that you can be taken to the official website. All right, so first of all, before you go on, you'd have to wait for the page to load. So once that's loaded, this is how the page looks like. All right, very cool, very cool. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see view portfolio, and then just go ahead and select it. So after clicking on view portfolio, you'll be taken to another page where you can now connect your MetaMask wallet to your MetaMask bridge. So this is the dashboard. By the left side of the screen, you can see options like dashboard, explore, buy, sell, swap, bridge, stake, and then go ahead and click on connect MetaMask. Now, after clicking on connect MetaMask, by the right side of the screen, your MetaMask wallet would display in a small screen, and then you'll be asked to connect it. Just click on next and then click on confirm. The reason why it's not being displayed is because the window is separate, and so I cannot show you directly using the software I am using currently. But then your after clicking on it, your MetaMask will be connected automatically. And then once it has been connected, um you will be taken to your MetaMask wallet where you would see your total amount. And then once you can see this, the next thing is to navigate to the network that contain all of your assets. That is the assets that you would like to bridge. All right. So it could be in Ethereum mainnet, it could be Polygon or whichever network. Then after selecting the network, okay, I just select it now. After selecting the network, you would move to the top part of the screen and then click on the option bridge. All right, you can see it there. So just click on it. And after clicking on bridge, you'll be taken to the bridge page. So now on this page, the main action starts. All right. So here you have to select a network again. Each of the networks are your assets located. Like we selected Ethereum earlier, so just select that, and then select your destination network too. Okay, that'll be the next thing. I'll be selecting BNB. Then the next thing would be to select a token that you would like to send. Since it's Ethereum, you can just go ahead and select Ethereum. You could use any other method. You can use any other token actually, but I think I'll just stick with Ethereum. And then once you're done, select the number of Ethereum that you'd like to bridge, and then select the token that you want to receive the bridge access. All right, so just go ahead and do that, and so it automatically turned to BNB because that is the chain that I selected. And after selecting it, the amount of BNB that will be received, or the amount of the token that will be received, would be displayed. And so you can see the best price of the bridge and all. And then once you can do that, on this page you will see more details about the assets. And the reason you cannot see anything for mine is because currently I have no amount, I have no Ethereum to pay for the gas needed to complete the transaction, as you can see here. But for you, if you have enough, you will be asked to enter in the details of the assets you want to transfer, and all of that, and then you'll be asked to review the transaction details. You'll see the gas fee, you'll see the rate and all of that. Then click on next or continue to proceed. Then confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Yes, you'll see the transaction here. Confirm the transaction, and then after confirming the transaction, the bridge will initiate the transfer. Wait for the confirmation on both the source and destination network, and then you can track the progress using the provided transaction hash. And then after a while, check your destination wallet. Once confirmed, your destination wallet, you will see the bridged access. So It's very simple, but the major way is to navigate to your MetaMask bridge, move to the MetaMask portfolio, and then the rest is easy peasy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.